Hi everyone. In this video, we will be showing you how to spread the clear to cover the full design when the clear is being generated by the RIP. In this example, the clear overprint is covering the whole design. You want to spread the clear on a design for two main reasons. The first is to protect the design, and the second is to enhance the print quality. The spread over the whole design is done in the processing options. To change the spread clear on a job, select the job. Make sure you have a print mode with a clear option and click on Color Adjust found in the Job tab on the lower right of the screen. Now the Easy Color Adjustments dialog is open. Here, you will select the correct layer from the drop-down list on the top right. In this example, there is only a color layer, the printing color and clear. On some devices, this will be in separate layers. On the bottom right, there is a drop-down list with values of spread. You will achieve more spread as you increase the value. For this project, I'm setting the value to 5. If you want to set a default value of spread for all of your jobs, you can set it in the print mode. This ensures the same spread value will be set for any job using this print mode. To set the spread in your print mode, go to the Device menu and select Manage Print Modes. In the Print Mode Manager dialog, select the print mode in which you would like to set the clear spread. Double-click on the print mode or select the Edit Print Mode icon at the top of the dialog. On the left of the print mode properties, select the layer that contains the clear/gloss and select Processing Options. On the right, click on the Clear and Other Spot Options button. Here on the bottom right, you'll find the same drop-down list for the spread value that you saw in the Easy Color Adjustments dialog. After setting the desired value, you can select the Treat All Semi-Transparent as Opaque checkbox found on the left. This will ensure that the same amount of clear is spread over the whole design. Finally, click Save, and the new settings for clear spread will be saved in the print mode. Remember that when making changes to a print mode, you will need to select the print mode in the queue before the changes will be applied in the queue. It's important to note that the processing options are a print mode feature. If you change the value of the spread for the clear in the queue instead of the print mode, you will lose this change when you change print modes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of CADLINK's products.